Garmin has long been synonymous with rugged, reliable, and feature-rich GPS watches, and the Fenix series has been at the forefront of this legacy. The Fenix 8 Pro, the latest iteration, takes this tradition to new heights, offering a blend of advanced technology, durability, and user-centric features that cater to athletes, adventurers, and everyday users alike. Design and build quality. The Fenix 8 Pro continues Garmin's commitment to robust design, featuring a reinforced polymer case with a metal rear cover. Premium options include titanium bezels and sapphire crystal glass, enhancing both durability and scratch resistance. The watch is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities, meeting U.S. military standards for heat, shock, and water resistance. Display options. Garmin offers 2 display options for the Fenix 8 Pro. AMOLED display, available in 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm sizes. The AMOLED display provides vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it ideal for everyday use and indoor activities. MIP, Memory in Pixel, solar display, available in 47mm and 51mm sizes. The MIP display offers excellent battery efficiency, especially when combined with solar charging capabilities, making it perfect for extended outdoor adventures. Battery life. The Fenix 8 Pro boasts impressive battery life across its various modes. Smartwatch mode, up to 29 days with the AMOLED display and up to 48 days with the MIP solar display. GPS mode, up to 84 hours with the AMOLED display and up to 150 hours with the MIP solar display in the new Endurance GPS mode, which balances accuracy and power consumption for ultra-long activities. Advanced GPS and navigation features. The Fenix 8 Pro is equipped with a new high-performance chipset and upgraded multiband GNSS technology, providing faster processing and improved energy efficiency. This translates to quicker GPS locks, smoother map scrolling, and more responsive overall performance. The watch features built-in global topographical maps with new 3D terrain visualization, allowing users to get a better sense of elevation changes and route difficulty. Health and fitness tracking. Garmin has enhanced the health and fitness tracking capabilities of the Fenix 8 Pro. Elevate V5 heart rate sensor. The new sensor offers improved accuracy and responsiveness compared to its predecessor, providing more reliable fitness and health tracking. ECG functionality. While still pending FDA clearance, the addition of ECG functionality could support the detection of atrial fibrillation, AFib, or normal sinus rhythm, adding another layer to the Fenix's health monitoring capabilities. Advanced sleep tracking. The watch offers improved sleep tracking metrics, including heart rate variability, respiration rate, and blood oxygen saturation, presented in a more unified dashboard. Training readiness score. This new metric takes into account factors such as sleep quality, recent training load, and heart rate variability to provide guidance on when to push hard and when to focus on recovery. Smart features. The Fenix 8 Pro integrates several smart features to enhance user experience. Voice Assistant. A built-in microphone and speaker allow users to interact with the watch using voice commands, such as starting a workout or setting a timer. Garmin Messenger app. This free communication app allows users to send text messages directly from the smartwatch to friends and family. Offline music storage. Users can store music and podcasts directly on the watch, eliminating the need for a phone during workouts. Contactless payments. The watch supports contactless payments, allowing users to make purchases without needing to carry a wallet or phone. Sports and outdoor features. The Fenix 8 Pro is designed with athletes and outdoor enthusiasts in mind. Pace Pro 2.0. This feature provides dynamic pacing guidance during runs and rides, taking into account real-time factors such as weather conditions, terrain, and the user's current physiological state. Adventure AI. Using machine learning algorithms, this feature analyzes topographical data, weather forecasts, and the user's fitness level to suggest optimal routes for hiking, trail running, or mountain biking. It can even adjust routes on the fly based on real-time conditions and the user's performance. Diving functions. The watch supports recreational diving, single gas, and free diving up to 40 meters deep, thanks to official diving certification and waterproof. Inductive buttons. Pricing and availability. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is available in various configurations, with prices ranging from $799.99 for the base model to over $1,000 for premium configurations with features like titanium bezels, sapphire glass, and LTE functionality. The watch is expected to launch in late summer 2025, aligning with Garmin's usual release windows and hitting right before the fall fitness and holiday season kicks off. Conclusion. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro represents a significant leap forward in wearable technology, offering a blend of advanced features, durability, and user-centric design. Whether you're a seasoned athlete, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone looking to enhance your daily fitness routine, the Fenix 8 Pro offers the tools and insights to help you reach your goals. With its impressive battery life, advanced health tracking capabilities, and robust design, the Fenix 8 Pro is poised to set a new standard in the world of multi-sport GPS smartwatches.